Hey kids, thank you for joining Mr. Oopy's Art and Craft. Today, we're going to be making a spider. Before we begin, we're going to need a few items. A ruler, scissors, 4 pipe cleaners, glue, peg, eyes, paper and a glitter pom-pom. Remember, you can stop the video at any time. Let's go! Get your pipe cleaner and a ruler. Measure it to 16 centimeters long. Cut the excess. It should be the length of an adult hand. Great! Now let's get the other 3 and cut them to the same measurement. There's 1, 2, 3. So now we have 4 even pipe cleaners at 18 centimeters long. Place them all together, find the middle point and bend them in half. Or the second option is you can twist them. Grab 1 pipe cleaner and go round the whole lot. And then do the other side. That way, it will stay intact. Spread the legs out on either side. Let's have a bit of a play. Let's throw it up and down. As you can see, it's all intact. Great! Now, get your peg. This will be the body of the spider. Get your glue with your icy pole stick and place some glue on the inside of the peg. Pinch the peg to open it. Then place it through the middle of the pipe cleaners. Very good. Creepy crawly spider. Our next step is to bend the legs. Bend them halfway from the peg to the end of the pipe cleaner. Now it's starting to shape like a real spider. Creepy crawly. Next, cut out a small rectangle from any coloured piece of paper. Cut out the rectangle slowly and carefully. Get your glue. Add some glue on the back of the piece of paper. Add it to the top of the peg. Get your googly eyes. Add some glue to the back of the eyes and glue it on the piece of paper. Now, get your glitter pom-pom. Place some glue on the middle of the peg. And also place some glue on the glitter pom-pom. And place it on the middle of the peg. There it is. It's creepy crawly spider. You can add it to so many things, like your drinking cup. My spider drink. Or you can add it onto a box. Well done, my friends. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed making your spider. Bye! Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share.